But hey up YouTube, I'm Eric, thank you for clicking on the video, and today we of course got another reaction for CHUU's first teaser of Only Cry in the Rain music video. Of course we're only like, what, a couple days out from release, so super hyped for that. So let's get right into this video. Right, the video pulled up. CHUU's Only Cry in the Rain music video teaser 1. Go. Nice, Rain, CHUU crying already. You know what? Oh, you know what? As advertised. So obviously we're just gonna quickly run through this again because I generally think there's barely anything here other than, yeah, CHUU, Only Cry in the Rain. Yeah, we have CHUU clearly crying in the rain here. Nothing really more than that. Yeah, Only Cry in the Rain. Yeah, she's crying. So far we've seen Only in the Rain. So, yeah. As advertised. So yeah, pretty much nothing there story-wise, but as we've seen for like teaser pictures and everything so far, it's getting pretty spicy. But yeah, that was my initial reaction. Yeah, a little quick video for Only Cry in the Rain teaser 1. And yeah, it's as advertised. CHUU only cried in the rain. So yeah, thank y'all for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one, I guess. Very fast video. Later.